This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Lovely home located in Sykes Addition. The owners will be replacing carpet prior to tenant moving in. Isolated master bedroom with relaxing master bath with jetted tub and separate shower and nice walk-in closet. Kitchen features open concept and den with pretty granite countertops. All kitchen appliances are included in the lease. Backyard features a nice covered patio. Small workshop with electricity. 2-car rear entry garage. Owner/landlord is a licensed real estate broker. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.